Good day, guys. So this is a 3 kVA solar system, well installed. You can see two 220 amp hour tubular battery and our protective kits. So here, this is our changeover. As you can see here, NEPA or Gen, and here is for solar. So solar is down there. So, and this inverter has automatic changeover. So that means when there's power from the grid, so it serves directly to the house. So you don't have to come to this changeover to change to NEPA or Gen or anything. So as you can see, let's move around the house. This system can power lighting points, can power a freezer, a fridge. Okay, let's on the light here. Can you see? All the lights are on. The TV, let's on the TV soon. Let's put on the TV.
It's on.
So that's the TV is on. You can see TV is on. There's OS can go, okay.
Yes.
The console is on. So can you see the console is on? What else? Let's put on the fan too. So the TV is on. This is a 65 inches smart TV. So the console is on. And now let's put on the fan. So yes, the fan too is on. So this literally powers all the appliances in the house, starting from the TV, the fan, the lighting points, the fridge. Let's go to the fridge.
Hold on.
The fridge is on. So this can power the fridge. This can power the fridge 24/7. So you don't have to be bothered about spoiled food or a food that you don't want to eat now or something like that. So you can preserve your food here. And this is washing machine. This system, the nice thing about this system is it powers basically all the appliances in the house. So this is a washing machine and an air dryer. So you can power this washing machine with this 3 kVA system conveniently. So this sounds like the perfect package for a family. So it powers the AC too. So let's go to the AC. So this is a 1 horsepower AC, inverter AC. So let's put this on. So this AC is on. Can you see? It's starting to get cold. So that's the beauty about this package. Like I said, this is a 3 kVA system. So, and it goes for just little price, very little. But the main thing is you enjoy your money for a very long time. You enjoy your money, and like they said, money is everything. Money is luxury. So, thank you. Can you see? No be wayo, we carry am. So this is a 1 horsepower inverter AC. So solar cannot carry AC. Solar cannot carry AC. Can you see? It does conveniently. No wayo. So thank you very much. Go to A plus energy. Passez au soleil avec connect énergie positive. Go solar with A plus energy.